That's not us. Yeah! Left side, left side. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I have no cover. Yo, where are you? One on the far left side.
Up there?
Oh yeah, I don't know. I heard a pistol. You hear him? He's in there. He's in the jailhouse. Hey, back up, back up. In that hallway right there, in the room. Left side. Yeah. We have to hold the ground. Push up. We can't let him get us. What's the left? What's the left? He's around the corner. You have that frag? Yep. Yep. Should we go for it? We need some teammates now!
Alright, boys. There's about to be a lot of you.
Guys, come on! Guys, should I throw it? Should I throw it?
You want to hit him? Hit him.
What? Move! Yeah! Nice! Get up! Push up now! Now! You're all dead! Move! Move! Watch right! Move! In the jail! Push up! Left side in the jail! Someone! Push up now! Safety! 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 Hands up now! Go! Don't let him push us back! Someone watch the hallway! Nice. Hey, can you watch that hallway? Hey, they're gonna be moving in that hallway. That's right. All right, hit. on. I'm just getting a grenade. Please don't shoot me. Ow. Shot me in the fingertip. Oh. Get him. You guys got push-up. They're moving up.
You went to my nut.
Oh man, can you fix me? Thank you. I know. He got me from the bank. He's up behind the car. Shot me in the fingertip. Hang on.
You waiting?
Oh.
Let's go.
Alright, I'll go. Dude, that push. Get yourself settled. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. Yeah, walk on by. Let's go.
I got a few of them.
Yeah, I know.
Are you serious?
Always in the hand. Sorry. Ow. Oh, it's always the hand. Yeah, you gotta push up again. Tell Teal hold on to the frag. Oh. My hand. Oh god. Huh? I got shot in the tip and then the knuckle. Fantastic. Oh, it already moved, yeah. Then they're screwed. We almost got them. Really? What? It's groups of 3. Just go.
Take my point.
Alright. Cool. Thanks.
You do more damage than I do.
Left side. Hello there. Hit! I'm not doing so well. I'm getting my head in the game. I have the grenade. Hold on to it. You want me to hold on to the grenade? Huh? You're making the third. Let's go. Come on. Or you can go the long way. Let's go. Come on. Well set. I have the pen too. I have everything. You want it now? Yo, Predator, you want it now? Alright, I'll hold on to it. Yeah. They're in the hallway in the bank.
In the hallway?
Yeah, they're in the room.
Yeah.
Far right leads to the bank. They're in the bank. But you can shoot them through the hallway. There's a tiny little slit. Steadily. Oh my god. Huh? Okay. Hit. Gun hits don't. Oh, of ammo? No? It's firing fine. It just sounds like it, I know. Either way, I'll put a new one. I'll be back.
Empty mag.
They're getting close.
Dude, I fucking charged up cover, realized I have an empty mag.
Dude, he shot me right in the throat. I'm just glad I had this neck wrap. Yeah. Dude, I left my guns over there.
Alright, that's actually kind of a smart idea.
What?
Leave your guns ready to fight you. Let's go.
I think I got one or two.
I think I'm out again. Of course I'm. Holy fucking shit. Now I have 0 BBs at all.
Here.
See, now this is what it's good about.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little weird.
Yeah, right. Is that height?
Mid. Yeah.
Just check it.
Sometimes it doesn't feed everything though.
As long as it gets nothing.
Yeah.
I forgot my gun.
I think there's someone in the
I think
hallway.
everybody's out again.
I don't know. Hang on.
Oh shit.
What's this? Is this your tiny little mag?
What's that?
Tiny little one? Is this yours?
No, this is my friend's.
Okay.
Simon, I got your bag. What's the order? Yeah.
Tiny little one. Alright, let's push up. Someone come here, watch this hallway. Guys, I'm over here. Hurry up. Guys, over here. Hey, alright, no, never mind. They're in the bank! Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Hey, Booty, I'm friendly. need someone behind me. Hey, come here. Go around. I'm on your team. I need someone on my back. He's out. Hey, I need someone over here. Somebody over there. Hey, someone over here. I'm gonna get shot. Go. One moved into the garage. One's in the garage. He has a beat on me. Yeah. There's one right inside the garage. Get a beat. There's one inside the garage. Walmart is in the garage, dark corridor. Hit. God damn. I know it's the safe area, but you should probably put that on. It's not worth it. I know, but it's not worth the risk. Goggles on, dude. I know we're in the safe spot, but it's not worth the risk. Trust me. It's foggy, but it's not worth the risk.
What, taking it outside the field?
Yeah. Yeah. I was in one corridor for a bit.
I'm good, fine. Who wants to come with?
Yep. Scotsman, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah. I know EO's like right outside in the bank.
Wait, guys, I'm down.
He's still there. Still in the middle. They're moving up, they're moving up. Yeah. Left side. Have fun, watch the left. Watch outside. Cover me on my cover left. One shot. Yep. Hung up. He's out. Watch the right corridor though. Yeah, just need to watch the right. Watch the left. Going right. I'm empty. He's right there on the left side behind those pillars. Get him.
Game over. Game over. The game is over. Please remember, remove your mask to start the last rounds, and then, and only then, may you remove your goggles.
I'll need that mag back. Yep. Thank you very much. No problem.